kind of like a little, looks like a bit of a manipulation, but you're working through that tendon of the Achilles there. Challenging our foot, our ankle, our calf, our soleus muscle to strengthen. G'day guys, Tash here from MMT. Today we're talking plantar fasciitis. I'm going to take you through 2 points that I would like to focus on, 2 money spots to get in and help release your plantar fasciitis and get you pain free. I'll show you through some of the anatomy and then stay tuned because you'll get a barefoot exercise to finish off. So over here guys, this is our soleus muscle. Can you see that there? A lot of people don't know about this area of the body, but it's that lower calf, okay? So you got your bulky to gastrocnemius heads up here, and then your soleus runs through that lower section, all right? And you've got your Achilles, which is that white tendony fibrous part through that comes into your heel and runs over your heel as well, and that's where we usually feel a lot of plantar fasciitis pain too. So we're going to roll through soleus and we're going to do a bit of work through our Achilles as well to help you release that pressure. All right, so come over here. We've got Ninja, who's going to be our dummy for the day.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping us out, Ninja.
I'm good at it.
So I'm actually going to start with that Achilles. So I like to do a pincer grip on this Achilles, just remembering to not go too hard too fast. So just using my thumb and finger here, and I'm going to grab towards that bottom end of the Achilles. I'm just holding, slowly increasing that pressure. You feeling all right, Ninja?
Yeah, it's comfortable.
Great, great. So we want to feel that. It feels like thick,
Bit more
ropey.
there.
Yeah? Feeling okay?
Yeah, it's a little bit more intense.
Yeah, just increase that a bit.
Yeah.
And I like to do a bit of a shake, a little bit of movement.
Sorry for interrupting your video guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Through that area, okay? I'm going to grab, take it through a bit of range. We also want to give it some flow because it's probably a bit stuck. You've been really restricted with that pain. You might be walking differently, compensating a lot through that area. So we really want to get some movement, shake it up, get some blood into this area. How you feeling, Ninja?
Yeah, good. Good connection.
Feel like enough pressure for you there?
Yeah, that's good.
Even up and down, so it doesn't have to be just one direction. We want to change it up. Really feel what's going on in that. Can even do some pushing to the side. So we're just going to see how that's moving.
Yeah.
Looks nice, Ninja, but for someone else it might be pretty stuck. You might not get much range. So really just a bit of, it's kind of like a little, looks like a bit of a manipulation, but you're working through that tendon of the Achilles there, okay? Pushing away. You can do the same direction the other way as well, because you might find that one way's got a bit more range, the other way is more stuck. So you really want to encourage whichever one's more stuck. You want to push in that direction. Another good one to do, because this rolls into your heel, so we want to come up a little bit higher, really get onto that where it starts to attach onto your heel. So
Whoa.
yeah, how's that, Ninja?
Yeah, it's got some zing on that.
Yeah,
That's
good. Ninja does a lot of barefoot work, so we really want to help him out here. He's using his foot a lot, which is really good for him. Very natural, but these areas have a lot of load going through them. So you want to really help move this area along, all right? Awesome. All right, so I'm just going to take you through. You can do more through that Achilles, but you'll have to come and see me if you want to get a bit more work done through there. Let's just start with a nice long stroke through that soleus. So I started high up at that Achilles, and I've got that connection with my palm. I'm going to use that pisiform and palm. And I'm really slowly sinking into our soleus muscle. All right. Soleus is deep in there too. So you really got to sink. Really want to get through those layers. As Ninj said before, keep that connection and check in on your client. How you going, Ninj?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, you can kind of sense that it's really connected and it's therapeutic. It's doing something because of the sensations I'm getting, and just I'm giving you permission because you're going so slow and it's connected and it's deliberate.
Yeah, that's the
certain.
difference, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the difference with our treatment.
Yeah,
That's what we do. That's the MMT style.
yeah.
Awesome.
Certainty.
Yeah, that's it. So we're slowly stripping through. So I would take that stroke all the way, at least to the start of the gastroc heads, but if not, just follow through. If that's what it feels like the body needs, if it continues and feel like you need more, if it drops off and you feel like, you know, it's mostly that soleus that needed it, but it is nice to just follow through with the stroke, isn't it, Ninj?
Yep.
Usually it's just nice to go all the way.
Fascial continuum.
Exactly, exactly, to follow that line. Yeah, so we go through there. And then I just want to show, for the sake of the video, I'm going to sink out around here. Nice and slow, of course. And Ninj, if you just come a bit further down for me, because I want you to do some dynamic movement. So I'm going to hold probably our calf money spot around here. So if I just get this spot, I'm going to use a bit of forearm for Ninj. And I want Ninja to flex and extend through, dorsal and plantar flexion through that foot. So we're doing a bit of a pin and stretch. Really testing out the sore Ninj.
Yeah, creating more pain for myself.
Not too much
good.
pressure, is it?
Yeah, no, all right.
Good.
I can handle it. It's good. It's really getting into it. You know about it.
Yeah, awesome. That's what you can do here. A bit of dynamic treatment, okay?
Yeah.
So there are a few of the spots we can hit. And there's more. If you want to come in, get some more work done, we definitely want to help this plantar fascia. We haven't touched that at all yet, but these are some of the other money spots that can really be effective in your plantar fasciitis treatment, all right? So I'll just release that. Good job there, Ninj. Now I just want to show you guys, and Ninj, if you want to pop up too and do a bit of movement. First thing I'd say to recommend is shoes off more often. We want you barefoot, especially for this exercise. So I want you to do a standing, single leg, up on one. Oh, we'll use that, that foot.
Yeah.
ISO hold, meaning we're holding our position through this movement and this contraction.
Yep.
So through here, we're challenging our foot, our ankle, our calf, our soleus muscle to strengthen, all right? It has to balance and stabilize. All you gotta do, hold that, clench your glutes on this side. You're working your hip on this one, so it's a really good split kind of stance activity or exercise to train. And as your foot shakes, wobbles, it's good. You're using it, all right? You're using that muscle, you're using that calf, ankle, everything through that leg to stabilize. That's what it's meant to be doing. You're challenging your balance too, which is just an added bonus. So that's your exercise, guys. Hold that longer than Ninja did. 30 to 45 seconds is great. If you want more of this stuff, come and see me. I'll fix you up with your plantar fasciitis.
Yep.
All right.
Done.